And the aftermath of Friday's car attack at a Christmas market in Magdeburg, where 5 people were killed and many more injured.
Just to bring you some breaking news, we're getting reports from US media via what they're describing as a statement that Jimmy Carter, the former US president, the 39th US president, and also Nobel Peace Prize recipient, has died at the age of 100.
Start with the developing news from South Korea. A plane has crashed on landing at an airport in the country and at least 176 people have been killed.
Russia and Ukraine have exchanged hundreds of prisoners of war. President Zelensky has said 189 people have been returned to Ukraine.
Story from Kazakhstan in the last few hours. Many people are feared dead after a passenger plane with nearly 70 people on board crashed in the southwest of the country. At least 32 survivors have been taken to hospital.
Of October 2023, all schools, universities and training centres in Gaza have remained closed. And figures released from the Palestinian Ministry of Education say that almost 13,000 Palestinian students have been killed since the start of the war. 21.
China has accused pro-democracy media tycoon Jimmy Lai of being an agent and lackey for anti-China forces as his trial resumes in Hong Kong.